Hi everybody, it's NAVIFORCE here. Today we prepare an unboxing video of our watch, and the model number is the NF5026. This is the female version, or let's say the smaller version of the NF9200L. Okay, now let's take a look at the packaging here. Our female watch box has the rectangular one and the square box one. The white square box, it's very textured and it is very suitable to be a gift. And you can also choose to buy the rectangular box here. It's quite normal one, and also very nice and textured. Okay, now let me rip it off. Okay, here is the guarantee card and the instruction manual. Our warranty period is for about 1 year. Okay. The NF5026 adopt a Japanese quartz movement from the Cycle Instrument Inc. Okay, let's take a look at the back side here. From the back side, you can know the model number here of this watch, and the material of the bag, which is stainless steel material, and the waterproof is for 3 ATM. Our quartz watches all make use of hardened mineral glass, so that it is scratch resistant and very durable. Next, I will show the size measurements for you here. Okay, you can see the case diameter of this watch. The case diameter is 36 millimeter, and the lug to lug is the lug to lug is about 40 millimeter. And the thickness is 10.9 millimeter, about 11 millimeter. And please pay attention that the case is zinc alloy material, and the strap is leather strap. Okay, here the most important part, still the dial and the bezel design. As you can see, 8 inner hexagonal screws are put on the 12-sided brushed bezel. The lustrous is very good, right? And you can see the lines from inside here to outside are quite neat. And the watch adopts capsule-shaped studs as markers here, and the cross-step Paris pattern as the shading, showing a layered sense of design. And in the check where capsule-shaped studs are, here it appears a little bit lighter, and the check is the CD pattern. It's a little bit different from the inner pattern. Also, you can see that the lugs here continue the chamfering design like the bezel. It's very special and amazing. Okay, now move on to the strap. The total length of this watch is 245 millimeters. With nice quality leather material and an easy adjustable pin buckle. It's also very convenient and comfortable to wear. And the strap, you can see, is thin, and the lines, the stitching lines, use the same colors as the strap. And it's very nice. Finally, let's see all the colors of this model. As you can see, there are a total of 7 colors here. Okay, the first one, let's see the color that we just unboxing. And this one is the silver green. It's with the silver case, lugs, and the white dial, and the green is like the grass green, very refreshing. And the next one is the silver blue. It's also with the silver case lugs, and but with the light blue dial and the frosted blue here as the strap. This one color totally is very special. And the next one is the golden yellow. It's with the golden case, the brush case, and the silver lugs, and the yellow studs, and the leather strap. Then the fourth one, this one color is very classic. It's the rose gold black, rose gold case here, and the silver lugs, and the black leather strap. It's very nice to match your clothes. Okay, the fifth one is the rose gold blue. It's with the rose gold brush case, and the silver lugs, and the blue, deep blue dial. And the strap here is a little bit orange color here, quite energetic. And the sixth one is the rose gold light brown. It's with the rose gold case, again the silver lugs here, and the strap is light brown leather strap. Wow, the last one color is the rose gold gray. It is with the rose gold case, here, and the gray dial, watch dial, and the strap is a little khaki color. The whole color scheme is quite unisex and unique, and this one is a nice watch to be a gift. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF5026 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram or the Facebook if you guys love us. And today this video is over. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.